What's the meaning of clutch bag? Clutch bag. Clutch bag.
Clutch bag. Clutch bag. A clutch bag is a type of handheld purse that is small and typically strapless. It is designed to be carried by hand or tucked under the arm and is often used as an accessory for formal occasions or evening events. Unlike a shoulder bag or tote, a clutch bag has limited space for carrying essentials and is often used to hold just a few items such as a phone, keys, and lipstick. The sleek and minimalist design of a clutch bag has made it a popular fashion item among women for many years.